Sabi nila, may tamang panahon sa lahat ng bagay. Siguro nga oo, dahil for some reason, nandito na ako sa lugar na dati pangarap ko lang mapuntahan. So, grabe, sobrang na-amaze ako kasi it's my first time. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Iba yung feeling kapag nandito na sa simula. Grabe. So, this one here, we went here with my friends. Diyan kami nagsindi ng kandila. Then, after namin mag-pray, pumunta kami sa loob. Kasi, dun sa loob, bumili kami ng mga bracelet and also, we pray there. Pumunta kami kay Mama Mary. For those who don't know, this is Simula Shrine. This is a Roman Catholic pilgrimage site. And the site hosts the image of Our Lady of Lindugan, which is believed to be miraculous by the devotees of the Virgin Mary. And by the way, it is also popularly known as the Monastery of the Holy Eucharist. And this is situated in Barangay Lindugan, Sibunga, Cebu. So in this part, are the thanks and testimonials of those who pass the board exam. And in this way, dito, so this is going to the prayer room where the replica of the Virgin Mary was preserved. For this one, kapag pumasok ka sa loob, kung nasaan yung rebulto or prayer room, kung nasaan si Mama Mary, kailangan mong hubarin yung sandal or sapatos na suot mo kasi bawal na bawal yun sa loob. It is considered as a sacred, kaya it's a no-no. So, after namin pumunta sa loob, nung nakatapos na kami mag-pray, pumunta kami sa labas. And then, nagpa-bless kami ng aming mga biniling kwintas, yung mga rosary, and other bracelet. Wala naman siyang bayad, guys. It's free, walang entrance. But sobrang worth it, grabe. I can say na it's miraculous kasi nung pumunta ko dito, yung mga prayers ko, I don't know if it is coincidence or what, but I really believe that prayer really works. Kasi yung mga pinapanalangin ko dito, nangyari. And it works. So ito yung part na makikita mo yung mga bagay or gamit ng mga nakapasa sa board exam. So, I'm hoping and looking forward na sana soon makapunta ako ulit dito because it was the best experience ever.